In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Metatrader 5 account login authorization failed issue easily. Whether you're trying to log into your trading account and keep getting that frustrating error, or you simply want to understand why MT5 refuses to authorize your login, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Metatrader 5 app and try logging in again. Over here, make sure every part of your login information is correct: your account number, your password, and even the capitalization or special characters. One tiny mistake can cause the entire login to fail, so double-check everything carefully to avoid unnecessary errors. Next, verify your server selection. A lot of people forget this step. Make sure you're choosing the correct server provided by your broker. If you pick the wrong one, MT5 simply won't authorize your login. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Slow or unstable internet can cause the authorization message to appear again and again. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Confirm your broker account is active. Make sure you didn't reset your password recently without updating it, and try logging in from another device just to see if the issue is specific to your phone. If the problem still continues, open your Google Play Store, search for Metatrader 5, and check if an update is available. If you see the update button, tap it. Running an outdated version can create connection and authorization issues, so updating the app often fixes the problem instantly. Once you've updated, launch the app again and try logging in. If the issue isn't gone yet, it's time to clear your MT5 cache. Press and hold the MT5 app icon, tap App Info, then go to Storage. Over here, tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data, but remember this will reset your app completely, so you'll need to log in again from scratch. After clearing the cache or data, open Metatrader 5, re-enter your login details carefully, and you should be able to access your account without any interruptions. This simple reset often removes corrupted files that block the login process. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix the Metatrader 5 authorization failed issue quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same problem. Why not make someone's trading day easier?